Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are happy to announce the global launch of CUBOT's brand new upcoming budget-friendly smartphone. CUBOT is well known for making affordable consumer electronics and always stand for its quality and trust. This is the CUBOT P50 smartphone that comes with high-end specifications for decent price tag. You get 6.2 inches HD plus Waterdrop design display with 720 by 1520 resolution. Also, this P50 is powered by MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core power efficiency processor and comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage with support TF card. Thanks to this flagship level hardware, you can play decent games and do multitask without any issues. Moving on to the battery, you get 4200 mAh removable battery and Type-C charging port with this smartphone for long last user experience, and not to forget that 3.5mm audio input. You can use 2 SIM cards with this smartphone thanks to the dual SIM slot. Front you get 20 megapixel high resolution AI selfie camera, and back you get the triple camera setup with 12 megapixel main lens, 5 megapixel macro lens and 0.3 megapixel photosensitive lens. Also, this CUBOT P50 comes with stock Android 11 installed, and it is supported by NFC, which allow you to conveniently use Google Play. Furthermore, you do get Face ID, and last, this smartphone is available in both green and black colors. The actual global launch will be on the 28th of March, and if you are fancy winning one of these awesome CUBOT P50 smartphone, please check the giveaway link, and all the links are in the description down below. And last, we will be planning to do a detailed hands-on review on this smartphone soon, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, then you won't miss any upcoming videos. Well, that's all for now, and see you all again with another video soon.